welcome to Moneymaker Finance, a channel devoted to educating people about the wild world of finance. I am Professor Pedagogy. Our videos have been created for you to invest in your knowledge of finance, helping you recognize gains in your knowledge bank and see a return on that investment. Today, we will have some fun with income, which is arguably the most important part of personal finance. To manage money properly, you must make it first. But did you know that you don't always have to earn your income? Make sure to watch the whole video so you can see how to make unearned income. Since we are children, we are told that we need to find a career when we grow up, because that career will make us money. Then, with that money, we can support ourselves and retire happily, which sounds wonderful if you live in a perfect world. But for those of us living in reality, we know that life is not that simple. Millions of people have learned that it is difficult to get by with only one source of income. Now, more than ever, it is becoming important for people to supplement their income. But why is it becoming more important to supplement your income? So you can save money. Now, what is so exciting about saving money? Once you save some money, you can start to create a stream of unearned income. You work hard enough to earn your income. Now it's time to put that money to work. Your money can literally make you more money, and you don't even have to work hard for it. That is why sometimes people call this stream of income unearned income, because your investments earn it for you. You might also hear unearned income called passive income, because money can passively enter your bank account without much effort. Picture your income like streams of water emptying into another body of water. Right now, you might only have one or two streams flowing gently into a small money pond. But if you start saving money, you could soon create more streams through investments. You can make an interest income stream by putting your savings in a high-yield savings account or investing in bonds. You could create a stream that generates dividend payments or capital gains when you invest in stocks and real estate. Creating more streams of income can someday turn that small money pond into an ocean of wealth. Make sure to go watch our other videos to supplement your knowledge of finance. Supplementing your knowledge could help you supplement your income. Then you can start to save and invest. You are the CEO of YOU. By mastering the basics like budgeting, saving, investing, managing credit, protecting your assets, and cultivating smart habits, you will start to master your money like you were running a Fortune 500 company. Remember, it's never too late to start. Every positive step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Thank you for watching. Now, take these lessons and make your money work for you. Your future self will thank you. Also, go check out our other videos so you can learn what I learned in finance school, saving you the 6 figures of student loan debt. Just hit the like and subscribe buttons instead.